Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT writes answers in seconds? How AI creates images from just a few words? How computers teach themselves without being programmed for every task? AI is no longer science fiction. It is already transforming how we learn, work, create, and communicate. But what exactly is AI, and how can people everywhere benefit from it? Welcome to Anant Intelligence, making artificial intelligence simple, practical, and accessible for everyone. You'll learn about AI, ChatGPT, machine learning, generative AI, and the tools shaping the world. No technical jargon, no hype, just clear, easy to understand explanations. Available in English, Hindi, and Gujarati. Whether you're a student, creator, professional, or simply curious, this channel is for you. Subscribe and begin understanding the technology changing everything. Welcome to Anant Intelligence.